How to enroll into Wells Fargo Online Banking account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Enroll Wells Fargo Online. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. You need to head over to the very first one, Enroll in Wells Fargo Online, and wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing in this official page of Wells Fargo. In order to sign up, all you want to do is, first of all, enter your Social Security or IDIN number. If you don't have it, then you can click on I don't have an SSN or IDIN number. You will be proceed to another page where you'll be able to enter your credit or debit card number. Once done, enter your date of birth and then tap on Continue. Follow the on-screen process, and then your Wells Fargo account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.